Hello, today I show you step by step how to strip down to service automatic Omega caliber 1012 from 1970s. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in comment. I will be happy to answering you. First step, remove movement from case. You must push this small button. It's setting lever. Now flip the case. Remove case. Like you can see, watch have some problems. Watch have stop second function. When you pull out crown to position 2, second hand stop moving. Protect your dial. Now we can remove dial. And we can back to work. Now careful, under this plate is small spring from calendar. This one. It's from data jumper. It's plastic. All parts. Okay, let's later on. Okay, we can flip movement from balance side. And now automatic model. First rotor. One screw here. And two parts from here. And now automatic model. Screw from here and here. Okay, mainspring still have some power. We must unwind mainspring. Lock, click. And slowly unwind. And balance should stop. Now movement is completely without power. Next step, balance, but first balance bearing. we can check how it's look. This is completely dry. Now we can close anti-shock spring. And we can remove balance. And flip the balance to safe position. Like that. What next? Pallet fork. Next we can remove barrel bridge. Two screws. One is here, second one is here. And the barrel with mainspring. Train bridge, also two screws. And wheels. Another plastic part. It's stop second. And at this moment this wheel is impossible to remove because another part holding from dial side. But we can remove second pinion. Okay, we can back to calendar side. And we must remove these teeny parts from here. And when last wheel will be free. How to do this? In safe way. I will show you. Some plastic bag, hard tweezer. Can catch him. Protect by finger and click. This is our teeny part. And our last wheel is here. Okay. Time for keyless. Setting lever spring. One spring is here. It's yoke spring. Under this plate is another spring. It's here. From data corrector, data date. It's longer, a bit longer. Look, this is longer one from date corrector. This is from yoke, shorter. Corrector, yoke, setting lever, steam with clutch well and winding pinion. And last part, it's second balance bearing, but very carefully here, because this spring, this small one here, like jump. Done. We come back to automatic module. Four parts, reverse and one reverser. Reverser and wells. And we need to remove mainspring from barrel. Click. And very dirty mainspring. How to remove? You can do this without gloves. Better feeling. And slowly around. Barrel is a bit worn, some scratches, but mainspring looks good. It's flat, like should be. Geometry is nice. It can be used again. And that's it. Our watch. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to write in comment. We can talk. See you guys.